China has stopped being just the world's factory to become the most ambitious and dangerous weapons laboratory in modern history. While the rest of the planet was consumed by conflicts and crises, China locked itself away and quietly got to work creating some of the most lethal weapons humanity has ever seen. Today you'll discover the 8 most colossal and lethal weapons in China's current arsenal, from an electromagnetic cannon that fires solid metal in complete silence to a missile capable of destroying 10 cities simultaneously from anywhere on the planet. Each of these machines redefines what we thought possible in modern warfare. Get ready to question everything you thought you knew about military power, because what you're about to see will forever change your perspective on who truly dominates the world today. Number 8. PHL-16. We start with land artillery pushed to a grotesque extreme. The PHL-16, also known as the Type 191, is no ordinary multiple rocket launcher. It's a machine designed to literally wipe entire zip codes off the map in a matter of seconds. Mounted on a massive 8-wheeled tactical truck, this beast weighs dozens of tons and operates like a sniper of mass saturation. Unlike traditional Western artillery, the PHL-16 doesn't fire simple, unguided projectiles. It launches colossal satellite-guided rockets measuring 370 millimeters, or worse, full tactical ballistic missiles measuring 750 millimeters. Imagine a rain of pure steel telephone poles falling from the sky at supersonic speeds, striking targets 500 kilometers away with a margin of error of just a few centimeters. The most terrifying thing about this system is its mobility. The truck can stop in the middle of nowhere, fire its full destructive payload, devastating enemy bases, airstrips, or entire coastal fleets, and disappear from the area before the first missile even hits the ground. It's the perfect firestorm, mobile and lethal. Number 7. J-20 Mighty Dragon. Stealth fighters are usually small and nimble aircraft, but China decided to break the rules of aerodynamics with the J-20 Mighty Dragon. This is the largest and heaviest fifth-generation combat aircraft on the planet. Its colossal size is no design flaw. It was built this way to be a long-range killer with a massive fuel reserve. While the American F-22 is designed for close-range dogfights, the J-20 is a flying sniper. Its enormous fuselage is coated with metamaterials that absorb radar waves, turning this 30-ton beast into a ghost invisible on enemy screens. Its primary mission is to penetrate hostile airspace undetected, open its massive internal weapons bays, and fire ultra-long-range air-to-air missiles. Its targets aren't other fighters. It's designed to destroy enemy tanker aircraft and airborne radar planes, leaving them completely blind and out of fuel in the middle of a battle. With its new domestically produced thrust vectoring engines, this titanium dragon dominates the skies of Asia with a combination of absolute stealth and relentless brute force. Number 6. WZ-8. Most drones cruise at modest speeds powered by ordinary propellers. The WZ-8 is a technological abomination, a flat black dart that looks like it was designed by aliens. This colossal spy and attack drone doesn't take off from a conventional runway. To get it airborne, China anchors it to the belly of a massive strategic bomber, which carries it to extreme altitudes before releasing it. The moment it disconnects, the WZ-8 ignites its liquid fuel rocket engines. It doesn't use turbines because it flies where there's almost no oxygen. It accelerates with brutal force past Mach 3, over 3,600 kilometers per hour, climbing into the stratosphere at the very edge of space. At that speed and altitude, it's mathematically impossible for a conventional surface-to-air missile or enemy fighter jet to intercept it. The drone crosses hostile territory in minutes, mapping secret installations with high-resolution synthetic aperture radar, then returns to base gliding at hypersonic speeds. It's an eye in the sky that no one can reach, see, or come close to destroying. Number 5. CH-AS-X-13. Launching a ballistic missile from an underground silo is dangerous because the enemy knows exactly where it's hidden. The Chinese military solved this problem by creating the CH-AS-X-13, a colossal and lethal ballistic missile designed specifically to be fired from the clouds. We're talking about a giant rocket, the size of a school bus, hanging beneath the belly of an H-6N bomber. This engineering marvel completely changes the mathematics of nuclear and anti-ship warfare. By launching the missile from an aircraft already flying at high speed and altitude, the rocket skips the hardest part of its journey, punching through the dense atmosphere from sea level. This gives it a devastating additional range of more than 3,000 kilometers. The bomber acts as an unpredictable launch platform. It can take off at night, fly out over the Pacific Ocean, and fire this ballistic monster, armed with nuclear or conventional warheads, from any angle. It's like having a flying submarine. Since it isn't anchored to a fixed silo on the ground, there's no way to track it preemptively, making it a perfect surprise attack weapon. Number 4. Electromagnetic railgun. Not long ago, the West scrapped its research into electromagnetic weapons due to massive thermal problems. China, on the other hand, has just publicly tested the largest and most powerful coil gun on the planet. Forget traditional gunpowder. This colossal weapon looks like the main cannon of an assault spaceship. Unlike a railgun, which uses parallel rails that wear out quickly due to extreme friction, this coil gun uses a series of enormous aligned magnetic rings. When fired, the computer switches these magnets on and off sequentially in milliseconds. This wave of electromagnetic energy drags the projectile through the barrel without physically touching the walls, accelerating it to absurd hypersonic velocities. The recent test fired a massive projectile weighing over 120 kilograms to nearly 1,000 kilometers per hour in a fraction of a second, all in complete silence, with none of the fire and smoke of conventional cannons. The destructive capability of hurling that much mass at that speed turns pure kinetic energy into a bomb, capable of punching through the heavy armor of destroyers as if it were aluminum foil. Number 3. JL-3. The true terror of nuclear deterrence isn't on land, it's hiding beneath the dark, freezing waters of the ocean. The JL-3, also known as the Julang, or Great Wave, is the most colossal and destructive submarine-launched intercontinental ballistic missile the Chinese Navy has ever conceived. This titanium and solid fuel monstrosity stands over 13 meters tall. Its purpose is to be carried in absolute silence inside the massive vertical silos of next-generation nuclear submarines. If a global conflict breaks out, the submarine doesn't need to approach enemy coastlines. The JL-3 has a devastating range of over 10,000 kilometers. Once fired from underwater, the missile bursts through the ocean's surface in an explosion of foam and ignites its rocket engines toward space. At its tip, it doesn't carry a single bomb. It carries multiple independent nuclear warheads that separate in the upper atmosphere, falling on different cities or military bases simultaneously at hypersonic speeds. It is the ultimate guarantee of mutually assured destruction, patiently lurking in the abyssal depths. Number 2. DF-17. We arrive at the technology that shattered the rules of ballistic physics and left the world's most advanced missile defense systems completely blind. The DF-17 is no ordinary missile. Its tip doesn't have the classic rounded cone shape. Instead, it's equipped with the DF-ZF, a hypersonic glide vehicle that looks like a sharp, flat spearhead. A traditional missile rises into space and falls along a predictable curve, like throwing a stone, but the DF-17 does something terrifying. It climbs to the edge of the atmosphere and then levels off. From there, it begins to surf on air shock waves at speeds exceeding Mach 5. During this phase of flight, it's surrounded by boiling plasma that absorbs radar waves, making it nearly invisible. But the worst part is its maneuverability. It can change direction sharply and erratically in the middle of hypersonic flight. No algorithm or Patriot defense system can calculate where it's going to hit. In essence, China has created a projectile that moves faster than sound and dodges enemy fire as if it has a mind of its own. Number 1. DF-41. The undisputed number 1 is the very embodiment of planetary devastation. The Dongfeng 41 is the most colossal, heaviest, and most threatening intercontinental ballistic missile in China's entire arsenal. It weighs 80 tons, measures 21 meters in length, and its operational range exceeds 15,000 kilometers, meaning it can strike any city in any corner of the planet Earth in under 30 minutes. But what makes it the apex predator isn't just its size, it's its survivability. It isn't buried in a fixed silo. The DF-41 is transported along China's roads and mountain terrain aboard a massive 16-wheeled launch vehicle and even on camouflage trains. This makes it virtually impossible to track and destroy before it fires. Once launched, this Titan doesn't carry a single explosive. It contains up to 10 independent nuclear warheads and decoys designed to confuse radar systems. In the terminal phase, it unleashes an unstoppable radioactive rain on 10 different targets simultaneously. It is, quite literally, the off switch for human civilization, mounted on wheels. From missiles that cheat physics by surfing on burning plasma to giant electromagnetic cannons and rolling trucks of the apocalypse, China's colossal weapons have left the designs of the past far behind, evolving into pure engineering monsters that operate at speeds we can barely comprehend. The war of the future will be hypersonic, stealthy, and brutally destructive. The question left hanging in the air is, faced with this unreachable technology, do you think traditional defense systems are still worth anything today? Which of these colossal machines did you find the most terrifying, and why? Leave your analysis in the comments. I'll be reading the best ones. If this dose of military power blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next journey into the future. See you in the next one.